You're about to watch the Paulie Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Okay, I got a little snack for y'all. A snack that you bake in the oven. Purchased from the freezer section at the grocery store, and it cost about $5. What is it? It is the Farm Rich Breaded Pizza Crunchers. If you look at the box, it looks a little bit more intriguing than the product that Totino's made. Or there's some other ones out there, just little pocket things, right? No, these are like big. They look like Fig Newtons. And yes, let's get these things on the sheet pan and take a look at it before cooking. Yeah, those are decent size. They are probably bigger than a Fig Newton. We are going to put these in the oven at 450 degrees and we're going to cook them for 13 minutes. And I did flip them over at the halfway point as suggested in the instructions. 13 minutes later, here they are. The smell's pretty good. The smell is very nice. Let's cut one in half and see what it looks like inside. Now, take note. I see cheese, but there's a little bit of that marinara sauce. Let's give it a try. Okay, here's one of those halves that I cut open. Yeah, nice browning. Did smell good, as I said. Let's give it a try. These crunchers are pretty good stuff, actually, really good. It's not like one of those big freezer bags where you get like 50 of them in there. This was like under 10 in the box. But they are very good, very nice quality. I am getting a little taste of the bioengineered food ingredients. Not really, but there are bioengineered food ingredients in here. Yeah, the crunchers, they're pretty good. Nice little snack. Why not? Thank you for watching. I'm Paulie. Till next time.